Hey, what's up, guys? You got Crypto Chuck back here to Group Crypto Black. We're back at it again, baby. Hope you guys having a great day. I know that I am. I know y'all having a great day, man. I already know y'all having a good day, so I don't have to talk about it. You know what I'm saying? But guys, man, today, man, what we're gonna talk about today, another reason why Bitcoin could be going crazy and the market's going crazy, guys. We all know what made crypto run up crazy. You know what I mean? Last year was the whole ETF thing going, but it wasn't a spot ETF. All right, but man, we're talking about spot ETFs now. We're talking about spot. It was futures, you know. We were talking about last year. That's what ran the market up in 2021. But now we're talking about spot Bitcoin ETFs, guys. Also, guys, man, we're going to talk about how Russian lawmaker suggests that they actually take Bitcoin for their oil from other countries. So, you know, with the whole sanction thing going on. So, you know, sit back, relax, guys. We'll talk about that right now. And guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Share with all your friends and family members, man. We did a video on Cardano on Monday. And we talked about Cardano on Monday, and it was at 91 cents at the time, and it went up to our resistant level that I talked about, that I said we got to turn to support. And it's up by 30% from what we talked about it. So, guys, make sure you like this channel, you share, and you subscribe. A lot of people keep messaging me, DM me, asking me, what should I do? How should I do it? Watch this channel. We're telling you what to do. I'm telling you what I'm doing. You know what I mean? So, you know, look at the moves, man. Look at the moves. A lot of people ask, hey, man, I don't know what to do. I don't this and that. Yo, listen, follow this channel, subscribe to the channel, share with all your friends and family members, and then see what we're doing. Like I said, we talked about Cardano. How many times we talk about Terra Luna? How many talk about Near Protocol? Talk about Avalanche. All those things that went crazy. You see what I'm saying? So it don't make it complicated on yourself. All right. But yeah, guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And if you are a brand new cryptocurrency, make sure you check out our website, cryptoblack.net. Guys, we have our beginners course on here. Also, you guys go over there, check out our Spotify. We're on Spotify. Check out our podcast. We're on Spotify. We're on Google. We're on Apple. So, you know, you guys check out all that stuff right there. Also, our merch. So, guys, make sure you check out our website and get in touch and get included all those different things. All right. But man, let's check out Bitcoin real quick. Bitcoin is going crazy right now. Bitcoin's going crazy. I like 44.1. 44.1, you guys know it. That's why I like to sit on 44.1. It looks like we actually got rejected right around 44.1. I mean, I say these things for a reason, guys. I say these things for a reason. 44 looked like we went to $44,195.49. All right. So, guys, I say these things for a reason, man. I call these numbers out, specific numbers, for a reason. All right. You know, and it's because, you know, you just understand the market, you understand key points and key support levels, you know, on the technical side and on the fundamental side as well, guys. So these things are driving up. Now I'm looking forward to go parabolic, not right now, but we enjoy these gains. What I'm gonna say is, April showers, shower down on us, baby. A ton of good money, happiness. That's all I'm gonna say. But yeah, and also I said in the video on Monday, hey, look out. We look to have a good week this week. So it is Thursday, guys. So Bitcoin is up 2.26% for the day, guys. We're up 7.2% for the week, up 14.74% for the month. This is pretty good, all right, for Bitcoin. And guys, with Cardano's up is at $1.15. It got rejected right where I said it was gonna get rejected, where we need to turn our key resistance need to turn to support. So we got to get above this 119, guys. We got to 118. So, you know, we got to get above this 119. Once we get above that 119, we should be looking pretty good. Go up to 137, but as you guys can see, Cardano's up 38.44% for the week. And my good friend BNB. BNB is up. We staying above this 400, the support level, nice strong support level. Staying above. I think we can run BNB. I got my alert set right here at 432, as you guys can see right here. So I think we get past 432, it'll be an easy way up past 450. All right, guys. So just make sure you keep your eye out for BNB as well. But Ethereum, same thing, man. Ethereum, we gotta get above 30. We gotta get about 32.25 for Ethereum for I to see some really good signals for it to keep going up. But I mean, it's looking good. All the stuff is looking good. I don't see anything bringing it down right now at the moment, and we're getting a lot of good news coming out. So technicals is one thing, but fundamentals is the best to me. I've always been a more fundamental trader because I think news driven is better than trying to be technical. But I love, if you understand both, you'll be great. You have nothing to worry about. If you understand both, you have nothing to worry about. All right. And you take the emotions out of it. On the technical side, you take the emotions out of it. All right. So, man, let's check this out right here, guys. So it says SEC could approve spot Bitcoin ETFs as early as 2023. Bloomberg analysis. So it says once crypto exchanges are compliant to SEC's primary reason for denying spot Bitcoin ETFs would no longer be valid, likely clearing the way for approval, say the analysts. Now, it says Eric Bokanis and James Saffart, exchange traded fund EFT analysis for Bloomberg, said that a proposed rule change with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, better known as the SEC, could be the catalyst for the regulatory body approving a spot Bitcoin ETF in mid-2023, guys. So it says in a Thursday tweet, Buchanan said crypto platforms could fall under the SEC's regulatory framework if the commission were to approve the amendment to change the definition of exchange proposed in January. Then a rule change could amend the Exchange Act to include platforms that make available for trading any type of security, seemingly including cryptocurrencies, making their investment vehicles more palatable for the regulator. Now, once crypto exchanges are compliant, the SEC's primary reason for denying spot Bitcoin ETFs would no longer be valid, likely clearing the way for approval, said the analysts. Now, Bukaris and Safart said that under the amended definition of exchanges, which could be finalized between November 2022 and May of 2023, April showers make flowers, baby. The SEC could approve spot crypto ETFs, including those with exposure to Bitcoin ETF or Bitcoin. The regulatory body has so far rejected all rule changes, allowing listings of spot Bitcoin ETFs on exchanges, despite approving some investment vehicles like the Bitcoin futures in 2021. Guys, that's what made Bitcoin go crazy, was the Bitcoin futures. All right. So, this type of news here, which takes Bitcoin and takes it to a whole other level. And we all know when Bitcoin goes off, the alts is going to go even crazy. All right. The right alts. A lot of y'all inside, a lot of these coins and these tokens that you should not be in. I'm telling you right now. So it says many U.S. lawmakers and industry leaders have pushed back against the SEC's seeming reticence to approve a spot Bitcoin ETF. In November, Representatives Tom Emmer and Darren Soto sent a letter to SEC Chair Gary Gensler challenging the reasons for the regulator had denied listing shares of a spot Bitcoin ETFs. Blah 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 blah. So we're not worrying about them. But guys, so this right here is big news. And guys, when Bitcoin get approved for a spot ETF, a lot of money gonna come into Bitcoin. All right, a lot of money. Gonna come into crypto as well, obviously. The thing is, guys, and this is what we've been talking about over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. The thing is, when all the institutional money comes in to Bitcoin and crypto, guess what happened to the little guy? So, guys, you have a very small window. Now, it's going to be two scenarios. I'm going to lay out two scenarios. So, the first one is going to be the good scenario. All this money, big institutional money coming to Bitcoin, coming into crypto, coming into Bitcoin especially. And Bitcoin just goes crazy, right? The little person want to come in and buy $100, $200, $1,000, $2,000, $5,000. It's not going to mean nothing. Nothing. It's like you right now want to go buy 2 or 3 Apple shares. Or it's like you right now going to buy $500 or $1,000 for Apple shares, right? For right now. It's not going to move a needle. Why? Because it's too much money into it. It's too big, and it is what it is, right? So that's what's going to be with Bitcoin. What you're going to own is not going to be anything. It's like me going right now. It's like, man, yo, I'm doing my thing, man. I got 5 shares of Apple. People be like, look at me like, okay, good, but that's that's nothing. So that's what's going to be happening with Bitcoin. All this money coming into Bitcoin, institutional, big money, billions and billions, tens of billions of dollars coming in, hundreds of billions actually collectively coming in, and it's going to push the price ridiculous. What you're going to own is really not going to mean, you're not going to own a whole lot, you know what I mean? It's not going to mean anything on the retail side, and retail going to come in late like they always do. So for the people that's in it right now, like I said, dollar cost average, you can dollar cost average into it. I'm not saying throw everything into it, but dollar cost average your way into it, all right? And you're able to actually, get a nice bag. Shout out to all the people that already been in for years. We got bags of it, but get a nice little bag. You know what I'm saying? Sit back, relax. You don't gotta trade it and sell all the time. Just sit back and chill and let it just grow and grow and grow, right? It's an asset, right? Now, and then you be good. Now, here's another scenario. This could be the top off, the blow off top. This could be the catalyst. This could be the end of the bull run. This could be the end of the bull run. This could be spot ETF get approved. The market goes crazy. Bitcoin goes parabolic. Numbers, God, it feels good when it happens too. But it's going to be numbers, oh my God. Everybody going to be making money. Everybody swimming in money. Everybody, oh man, this is crazy. And then, something like this happens. People going to go crazy. People going to buy it like crazy. And you're going to have the top. But the parabolic going to be a blow off top. It's going to it's not going to be creeping up. It's just going to say straight up. And for like 2 weeks. And then all of a sudden it's going to go straight down. So it's going to crazy. And then it's going to say. So these are 2 scenarios. And I want you guys to be prepared for both scenarios. So when the market is going crazy and parabolic, right? I want you taking some profits as well. Some profit. I'm not saying everything. Just some profits to get your money back. So let's just say you threw in 4 or 5 grand and it's going crazy. And your Bitcoin, the 4 or 5 grand you bought is worth like 20 grand, right? Take your 5 grand back, right? Or take a little bit on the top. I always say, take 6,000, and then let the rest just run up like crazy, right? And if it's not the end and it keep going up, you got your 5 grand back. You always put it back. You can always, go back in, but do not. If the next scenario plays out, you don't want to be caught at the top. It's a ton of people got caught up here. And they didn't have the patience. So when it dropped like this, this is more the drop was going to happen like this. And you get caught up, it'll be a few days, and they're going to say, you know what I mean? It's going to drop. And it's going to keep dropping. A lot of people ain't had the patience for it to run out like this, for this W, and for it to run back up. You know what I'm saying? This is a little slower, painful death. You know what I mean? This here was a pain. This was up for like a few days, then boom. And that's what could happen. That's a scenario. Those 2 scenarios. So it could be institutional, they buy it and they keep it and it goes crazy and we all swimming in money, we all going crazy. And the next one could be the parabolic. Both scenarios are going to have a parabolic run. Both scenarios are going to have parabolic. One is going to be, it's going to keep going. The cycle going to be longer. It's going to stay longer, or it could be the end of the 4-year cycle, which I don't think that's it. But the next scenario is going to be where it's going to go crazy, and then it's going to have a crazy drop. And guys, you don't want to be there for it, because that's what happened the last 2 cycles. So, guys, next story I want to get into, guys. Man, it said Russian lawmakers suggest nation could accept Bitcoin for oil payments. Under pressure from Western sanctions, Russia is mulling other currency options for natural resource sales. Now it says Bitcoin could be one alternative Russia might accept as payment for oil and other resources. A Duma committee chairman said during a news conference Thursday, Russia sanctioned because of its invasion of Ukraine can sell gas to the West for rubles, and go to be friendly countries such as China or Turkey for either national currency or Bitcoin, said Duma Deputy Pavel Zavani. I hate people say Bitcoins. No, Bitcoin. So it says if they want to buy, let them pay either in hard currency, and this is gold for us, or pay us as convenient for us. Or pay as it is convenient for us, Zavani, chairman of Duma Committee on Energy, according to the translation of his comments, the set of currencies can be different, and this is normal practice, so you can also trade Bitcoin, he continued. Now, Zavani remarks may or may not be behind a sizable rise in the price of Bitcoin over the past 90 minutes. Bitcoin is now up about 3% a day at 44 grand. For the first time since a brief spike in early March. So, guys, things like this too, because they're working with China and India and other countries, Turkey and everything, right? So, guess what got to happen? So, if they want to pay, they're going to pay them in Bitcoin. China, Turkey, and all these other countries, guess what they got to do? They have to buy Bitcoin, right? And when they buy Bitcoin, countries like that buying Bitcoin, what happens? The price of Bitcoin moons. All right. So, guys, that's what I'm saying. How it works. All these different bullish news come out, right? And then Bitcoin just goes crazy, and crypto and altcoins, they all go crazy. And then you just gonna see it goes crazy, and it could be a parabolic blow off top, and everybody gonna be swimming in money, and then turn around. Like I said, institution can keep it in, and then they can, we can keep it going. The cycle will be much longer, or you have that blow off top, and then it's just. So we'll see how it plays out, but we're getting a lot of bullish news, guys. A lot of people's gonna be making some money this summer. I say for the next 90 days, you should be really happy, and we'll see how it plays out. But yeah, guys, man, this right here is great news that I'm seeing in regards to the Bitcoin ETFs. Now, remember, when the ETFs, the spot Bitcoin ETF comes in and get approved, Wall Street and institutions, they run the game. Game over. They pretty much got it now. But, let you know, crypto community, the institutions and regulation that you want to get away from, you invite them into your bed, and they don't want to leave. So just remember that. And so that's all I'm going to say. You invite them to your bed, and they're not going to leave. And they're going to mess it up. They're going to leave your bed messy and everything. So shout out to all the people that's already been in the game for years. Shout out to people that's been getting in, dollar cost averaging over the last few years, over the last year or so. You're going to be very, very, very happy. Your family going to be happy for what you've done for generations. You're very, very, very smart to be in this space, because other people are telling you you're crazy. But those are the same people that went to the Lakers game last night and seeing Crypto.com arena. They're the same people that watch Coinbase, or FTX, advertise on every single umpire in the league, or you see Coinbase in every single game, because they're plastered on the courts. So you're early. You came in early. Shout out to you. You're very, very, very smart. And your family and generations after you is going to be thanking you for how smart you are. All right, and being a risk taker. When you talk about actually money is changing. Money is changing, guys. In the middle of a war, people are actually asking for Bitcoin. You gotta understand that. In the middle of a war, people are asking for Bitcoin. All right, so that's something right there, just to think about. So, guys, make sure you follow us on all different social media handles. We're gonna answer a couple of questions. We're gonna do a Q&A for a few minutes, and then answer a couple of questions. And then after that, we're gonna log out because we got the college games on tonight. So let's see, man. Let's see. We'll Cardano to Uri wallet, and I'm staking it. There you go. That's how you do it. You got it on your Uri wallet. You stake it. Let it sit back to the delegated. Out. And let you just keep making passive income. That's how you do it. Sit back, relax, passive income, and that's it. That's it. You don't got to do too much. A lot of people do too much. Let's see. I moved. What's up, man? What's up, Richmond? Wax P. Yep, Wax. I've been in Wax for a long time, man. Wax. Been in Wax and it was like pennies. So, but Wax, man, the NFTs. Going over there, I actually bought for Wax. I bought the MLB thing when it first came out. I didn't buy. I got the coins too much. I don't really buy too much NFTs over there. My man's likes Wax. He's been in Wax for a long time. He buying a lot of the stuff, the projects in Wax. So he can tell you all about that. My man Dennis, Cryptopreneurs. Shout out to the Cryptopreneurs on their channel on YouTube as well. So check them out. Yeah, Wax, man. We've been in Wax for a while, man. Wax. I think before he was on Binance. Yeah, it's been for a while. I've been in Wax. Like I said, it was pennies when I got in. But, I believed in the NFTs. I believed in NFT coins. That was me. A lot of people didn't. A lot of people talk about sand right now. A lot of people talk about Decentraland and all that other stuff, man. I've been all of them. Rarible, all of them. Pennies. Engine, pennies. Pennies. Sand, pennies. You know what I mean? Mana, pennies. So, and you just buy them and sit on them. I believe it. I believe things for the future. It's not about right now money. It's about what's going to happen in 2 or 3 years from now. And that's what I'm about. Rarible, all those things, man. All those things. It was $1. It was the things I like to get into. Cardano at 2 cents. BNB was like it was under $1 when I first bought my first BNB. I remember when Binance just came out. So those type of things, you like to get into early. So let's see right here. Any information about Metaverse, Sandbox, Decentraland? Yeah, I like them. We just gotta wait. It's they're building out their platform. So the people that actually have Decentraland and Sandbox that have land. So I hope you guys have some land because it's gonna go for a lot. I'm not even touching none of my land until the land's $100,000. When the land touch $100,000, then I'll start thinking about some of my different plots and everything like that. If I don't, my plan is to turn them into some money making machines, basically. Rent out space and everything like that on them. I'm gonna build out on it. But yeah, it's inevitable. It's inevitable what's gonna happen with the metaverse. But at the same time, the coins and everything went crazy, and the metaverse went crazy because what Facebook did. Facebook changed they named the Meta, and said they're gonna be building the Meta. It was all hype, and that was in November. And we seen what happened in November. With Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything. In November, boom, and after that, it just died down. That's what happened. That's what it's all about. It's all about fundamentals too. If Ethereum or Bitcoin or whatever company is saying, hey, look, Meta is saying, hey, we're going to do this whatever with Bitcoin going to go up like crazy. You know what I mean? Or whatever sector you're in. It's going to go up like crazy. But you can't fall in love with it. The problem is a lot of people, they fall in love with fads. You got to understand what a fad is. You know what I mean? So you have a lot of other metaverse projects out there that people just was buying up, you know what I mean? And the gaming tokens, people was buying up. It was not even nothing. It was not good at all. And it's just that they was going up because of affiliation, right? So they was a cheaper sand, they were cheaper Decentraland, they were cheaper wax or whatever, and people was buying them up. Oh, this is the next one. Blah 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 blah. I'll let you know. Decentraland, Sandbox, Gala. What else? Obviously, my metaverse tokens. I like Seek. You know, so if you guys go watch the metaverse, check out my metaverse video that I did. My top 3 metaverse. Check those out. Those are ones that I think will have the biggest potential. You know what I mean? In this whole space here. So if you haven't checked those out, check out those 3. And Sandbox and Decentraland ain't in it. You know what I mean? So, but those are the ones. They're the ones with the names behind them. I think with the whole ape, I think the Bored Ape thing is going to be crazy because the community behind it. And I think with the ape coin, all that stuff like that, I think it's going to be crazy, you know, what they're building. Because what they're doing, they're building out like crazy. You see what I'm saying? So they're building out like crazy, and it's a utility behind it. Yeah, you're going to clubs. I think I had some joint out here in New York, and where you have to have an ape in order to go to the club, like the live things. You see what I'm saying? So those type of things is going to be built out. You know what I mean? So it's having, you know, some utility behind it. It's a reason you have it. You know what I mean? It's not just because some YouTuber or some guy is talking about it, said it because he bought it before you. You see what I'm saying? It's just something actually behind it. So, you know, I believe in, you know, that whole platform, you know, with Bored Apes. Obviously, they got a whole bunch of people behind it. You know, they got big names behind it, so they're gonna keep pushing it, especially to their audience. But yeah, Decentraland and Sandbox, I think you can't go wrong with that. Let's see right here. Yeah, ApeCoin. I just talked about ApeCoin. Yep. I'm new to this and bought Stellar. What do you think about Stellar? Stellar Loomis. I like Stellar because you know they had some stuff going with the IMF, stuff like that. But with Stellar, it's a coin that I would say it's other projects out there that you can actually get into that pretty much that was cheap as Stellar, things like a lot of people bought it because it was cheaper, and it was like the alternative to XRP basically. So I think you can get some other projects than Stellar because you had I think Ukraine did something with Stellar. They had it where it was back with Stellar, something like that. And so we all see what's going on with Ukraine right now. You know, we don't know about occupation or anything like that. Russia, what they're going to do. So, you know, so it's just something that you're like, So Stellar Loomis is something that's been around for a while. It was a project, but I think it's, you know, to somebody that's brand new, and I know you're new, and I know you're gonna be looking at it, and you're gonna be like, man, what's going on? I need some money. I want this to go up. Let's see what it looks like. It's something to whereas, you know, I think it can run right now with the rest of the market, but and just came about this 50-day. I would say if you're in profits, which I know you're probably not, you know, unless you bought it a week ago, but if you're in profits, I would say take your profits and take it over to somewhere else, like something with utility behind it. But if I'm buying into Stellar, or if I'm trying to sell it, I mean, I would say take your profits if you're in profits. If you're not, try to get it right. Get out about 25 cents. 25 cents. It's gonna take a while for it to move up, you know, but it's gonna move the rest of the market, but it's not gonna move like crazy, right? So those type of things, that's what I would do if I'm a Stellar. But I used to like Stellar. And I actually got some Stellar. I got an airdrop, so I got some free Stellar. I haven't even sold it. I should have sold it. But I got it lower than this price though. I got it lower than 21 cents though. Cause it was years ago. I got an airdrop. Let's see right here. So it says, any opinion on Harmony? Yes, I love Harmony. I love Harmony. I have been in Harmony since it was like 7 or 8 cents. Harmony one, and I really love Harmony. You got a lot of projects on Harmony. A lot of projects on Harmony. For one, you have the DeFi Kingdoms. It's on Harmony. I think it can keep, I think that will keep growing. It'll come back with the rest of the market. The whole thing they got going on over there with DeFi Kingdom, how you can play that game. It's a play to earn game right there. Harmony got a lot of projects on it. A lot of the ecosystem is built out really, really well. And it's another coin you can sit back and relax and earn yield on that coin as well, which I'm doing. So, we reached a good bottom down here on Harmony. The support was at about 11 cents. So we pushed right back up, broke apart this resistance, which was the resistance was at about 14 cents. We'll keep pushing, but we got to get above this 50 days. So anything above 17 cents, you'll see, we'll keep going up, keep going above. We got to turn this as a major support right here. So major resistance. We'll turn this support into resistance right now. We got to get above this 50-day first, and then we go above here. Then it'll be on to the races. Harmony, another coin that once it pops, start moving, it moves. And you look up, it'll be at 30 cents before you even got a chance to even think about it. So, and I've seen it happen plenty of times. So Harmony is one of those coins that I really, 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 really like. That I was telling people dollar cost averaging back in, I think, August of last year. So, and they got some big names behind Harmony as well. So that's something right there to think about, as well. So, but yeah, hope I answered a lot of you guys' questions. Right now, guys, have fun at it. Tomorrow is Friday, so make sure you take some profits on Friday. Friday is payday. I'm gonna set my alerts right here. So as soon as I push that past that 50-day moving average, it's off to the races. Off to the races for Harmony. I got a bag of this. I got a bag of Harmony, so I'm chilling. I told people dollar cost average every Sunday on Harmony. I told them back in like August. So I hope you guys did. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And follow us on all different social media handles. I tweet out different things, different plays that I'm about to hop in or what I'm liking or at the moment. And it's randomly, guys. I don't sit there because the market, a lot of people ask me like, oh, man, what time do you do it? What time do you do this? What day do that? The market don't go by me. The market don't have a time. The market... I gotta go by what the market do. I gotta go by what the volume is doing. That's what I'm doing. So if it's 2:00 in the morning and the market is moving or a certain coin is moving a certain way, then I will say, oh yeah, this looks, this looks good. Hey, I'm about to hop inside this, make a few percent, get in, get out, where I want to do, and go from there. And so I'm gonna say I got a nice winning ratio. You know what I mean? But all I'm going to say is that's what you want to do. Follow us on different social media handles. I have different opinions on different social media handles. I like to drip things here and there and there and here instead of the same thing across everything. So make sure you follow us on all different social media handles. And guys, if you're not in our DCG group as far as with trading wise, if you want to learn how to trade and just be surrounded by a ton of people that's trading, and this is all we talk about all day, night. And I ain't talking about just crypto. I'm talking about stocks and options, futures, all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? So NFTs, you got people just do NFT. That's all they do. They're like, man, I don't know nothing about crypto. I don't want no trading. I just buy NFT. I know the right NFTs to buy. And all that stuff in the description below, guys. Scroll below and join. You see DCG. Click that link. You can join us, man, that trading group. You know what I mean? And then I get you going inside there and. We live class, like over 20 live classes a week. So interactive too, classes, live Zoom class that we talk and interact with. You know what I mean? We meet up, all around the country, different people from all around the country, and we have meetups. You know what I mean? So that's something, if you want to get into that atmosphere, you say, I want to take it to another level. I actually want to start making money. I want to start making a living off this stuff. Then you be around those people, then you want to be in that trading group because, it's definitely, I personally seen people make $1 million in that group. You know what I mean? So, you know, and that's no, you know what I mean? And you literally be like, oh, wow. Like, yeah, I took that trade. And, you know, because that person put a little bit more money into it, you know what I mean? But I literally seen people make $1 million in the group. So, you know, and I seen people go from having okay money to go on vacations and buying cars and multiple cars and doing multiple things for their family. You know what I mean? And life been changed. So, but, you know, they put in the work. You know, they've been in class every day. You know what I mean? They've been in watching, constantly watching what other people are doing. They're following different people's moves. You know what I mean? That's what you got to do. You got to get in class every single day. Like, I wasn't too big I wasn't real good on technicals, like on charts and everything like that. But then you know what I mean? I got with my guy Nick. I was on his class every single day. I mean, every single week. He had classes, you know, a couple times a week. My man Maurice and Mike Miller and all stuff like that. So they were just doing chart, like, you know what I mean, doing different things. And I'd be like, yo, what's this? What's that? And they were like, yo, you do it like this, da da da. And after a while, obviously after the call, guess what I did, though? I didn't just walk off and just go to sleep. You know what I mean? Or walk off and go watch TV. After the class, I had TradingView up and I was practicing different things. That's why now I can just come right inside here and be like, all right, cool. Yo, yep, this is going to happen when this happened, blah, 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 blah. And it's nothing. It's second nature to me because you put in the work. Once you put in the work, can't nobody tell you nothing. It's nothing like making your own money and nobody can tell you nothing about it. You know what I mean? You can say whatever you want. You can post whatever you want on social media. Like, the market ain't gonna ban me. The market only care if I got money. You know what I'm saying? To put into it. So that's it. So well, yeah, guys. I just want to make sure, you know, everybody's fine and good. And those two scenarios right there, guys. Those two scenarios, I think will play out with this right here. But I'll see you guys next video, guys. Make sure you stack your sats and chill. You got Crypto Chuck here to Crypto Black. We out of here, baby. Peace.